Yes, that is in. Look at that. What a snug fit that is. What a day to be alive. Woo! She really is a thing of beauty. Welcome back to another video, guys, and welcome to another day of trying to convert this car into a van. First job of the day before I jump on the flooring is to just take out these two middle seat belts. So yeah, we'll crack on with that and try and get those out. These bolts here are going to be great for something. And look, you can raise it as well. So I need to make the most of these because these are strong and sturdy. The seatbelt is now cut. All seatbelts out. So the next thing to start on was the flooring. So I just started to make a few measurements and get the correct dimensions that I actually needed. Initially I was going to do it with some plywood. However, after, you know, staring at it for about an hour, I realized the plywood, it doesn't look very nice. It's a bit flimsy. So I decided to come back the next day with a new strategy and a new idea of how I could make the flooring look a little bit more professional and better. Okay guys, so we are back for a second day of attempting the flooring. So hopefully I will be able to do it correctly today and get the flooring done, but I guess we'll find out. So the flooring that I bought yesterday, that sticky stuff which you simply lie down and it just sticks to the floor, I went and returned that today, and instead I bought this laminate flooring which basically clips into place. So I've got two boxes here. Hopefully it should be enough for the whole area. The only thing I'm concerned about is a few lumps here. So don't know, it's going to be trial and error. I thought this would be better because it would keep the flooring more rigid, and also the sticking stuff might actually peel off after a bit of time. So hopefully this works. Fingers crossed it does. And yeah, let's see how it all works out. Let me open one of these up and show you how they work. I realized I get stressed when I don't know how to do things because I get annoyed at myself that I don't know how to do it. Something as simple as laying flooring. So apparently it's fairly simple and straightforward. I've never used it, but it can't be too difficult. You simply just put them together, smack it in with a hammer, and then you've got a nice rigid flat flooring. Fingers crossed. This is 10 mil for anyone interested. No, because it's got a cover, don't worry. Shouldn't be too big though. Oh, oh dear. Oh God. Oh, I quit. Right.
You can do it.
On to the next piece to attempt 100. Oh my God. Right, after about an hour adjusting, cutting, shaving, sanding, I think this should be the one that fits. Yes, I mean, it's by no means the best job ever, but that will do. The first piece is done, and eventually I'll put some mastic around the plastic or something like that. Christ, it's all a learning curve, but we'll get there slowly, slowly. Buzzing with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Now comes the tricky part, really, of cutting every single piece. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm excited. I know that is so easy just to slot that into that, but even cutting that took me about an hour, so oh yes, feeling happier. Some progress is being made. Oh, fuck a duck. Fucking cut too much. Oh, fuck's sake. This piece here was a bit tricky, but it managed to look alright if I put a bit of mastic around that or something just to cover up the gaps. But the left side looks absolutely horrendous. I absolutely screwed it up. Here we go, you ready? Oh man. That looks awful, but I might do it towards the end anyway if I have a spare plank left, because at least now I've got this bit in, I can then crack on with the rest of it. So if I have a spare piece, I'll fix that up at the end, but it's all a learning process and good fun. Please, baby, please. Please, fit. Please, come on. Be kind. Wrong way round, that's a great start. Please. Woohoo! Yes. That is in. Look at that. What a snug fit that is. Once I put some glue on there, that's not going anywhere. I've worked out a new technique. Template it first on some scrap, and then I won't be wasting the wood, and I'll actually make it look half decent. Very, very happy with that piece, even though that took a long time. So I'm about halfway through the flooring. Most of the hard bits out the way, hopefully. Now it should be pretty simple. Just cutting it the length of this, sticking it in. So this is the piece I just did. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. Ignore this, we'll just hide this, but this piece, lovely. So, in theory, these next 4 pieces should all slot right in because they're all cut to exactly the same length with a handsaw, bear in mind, so fingers crossed they fly straight in. 1 in. 2 in. Please, oh no. Oh no. Oh bollocks. Oh Christ, I've got it stuck in. Oh fucking hell. Get it out. Oh God. Fucking hell. Oh. Jesus. Some nice flooring, baby. This has probably taken me about 5 hours. It's now 7:30. Got here about, what time? 12 o'clock, something like that. God almighty, I've been going even longer than 5 hours. 6, 7 hours, wow. I'm gonna head home now because I'm absolutely exhausted. It's bloody knackering, handsaw and everything. But all good fun and a good experience, and it's good for me to learn all these basic skills of how to do all this stuff because I really feel like I'm useless at all this, so it's good practice for me. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Ouch. Oh. Just got that in my eye. Morning guys, and welcome back to another day of the conversion. So I've just finished off the last 2 or 3 pieces. I went this morning and picked up a couple more slats, and I've also bought some glue. So I went and picked up some silicone to put around the edges, and then some seriously strong stuff, ultimate adhesive. So now the plan is to take everything out. Now I know that everything fits. I managed to cut around these corners quite nicely here. That doesn't look too bad. This one's better, to be honest with you. So I'm going to take everything back up, give it a hoover to make sure the carpet is nice and clean, and then yeah, start to whack down the glue and put the boards firmly in place, and hopefully this glue should be good and they won't move. How does this work? Cut the dome with a sharp knife. Whoa! Screw on the nozzle and insert into a cartridge gun. Oh, hey! Into a gun. Oh, it's a bloody clamp. That is a clamp, not a gun. Oh, you're joking. What's happened here? Got it working. I hope this is going to stick. I should have thought about putting weight on it. I should have thought about putting weight on it first, because I can't stay here for 10 minutes. Perfect. Done. Okay. I tell you what, if you need some flooring done, I'm the man to call. Send me a message on Instagram and I'll come and do it for you. No mucking about, no mucking about. So the last piece is going in right here. It's a bit annoying because it slightly raises just at this bit. So I'm not quite sure what to do. I think I'll lay it down and then I'll have to put a good amount of weight on it. But I might have to come back to that at a later stage just to adjust it, because there's a slight, very slight curvature or downward or upward lift on it. So we'll see how this goes anyway. And fingers crossed it looks okay. The last piece is in. Look at this, the flooring is 95% done. All of the pieces of floorboards are in. Just waiting for this last one to dry. Wow, I'm not gonna lie to you, I am quite proud of myself. Now I just want to silicone around these edges here, and then maybe at the front I'm gonna put some sort of edging on the side here just to obviously neaten that up. But wow, it looks good. Blood, sweat and tears went into this. I don't usually do things like this, so this is a great experience for me to you know, get better at all this kind of stuff, and it looks bloody good. Obviously the next part will be making the bed, but I'm going to finish up the floor completely, silicone around the edges, put the little edge on just to tidy things up, and then the flooring is done. Oh yes, I can put the bed here. Oh, I'm excited. I am excited now. I really just hate silicone. It's my new worst enemy when it comes to building works. Absolutely hate it. It's so bloody tricky. Every time I move it, it comes out here, it goes everywhere. That looks absolutely awful. What am I doing? Anyway, I'm going to finish the video here. The flooring is 95% done. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, let me know, because I know these videos are slightly different to my usual sort of travel vlogs. But This is a good project for me to record and show you guys, and obviously I can't wait to get this car on the road once it's all finished. So the next video I will start the bed, which should be cool because, you know, that's when this will kind of come to life. Anyway, if you did enjoy today's video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel, because plenty more travel related videos to make in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and catch you in the next one. Peace!